Welcome to our XOAP Tech videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add new application to our application management module. To do that, go to the application management and go to the applications. To upload a new application, click plus. Choose applications which you want to upload. Allow overwrite if you want. And when everything is ready, just click save. Wait for a few seconds. As you can see, applications are now uploaded. If you want to add additional application, click add. If not, click close. You can see the applications in your application management applications table. And that's all. That's the way how you add new applications to our application management module. Thank you all for watching and check our other videos. Bye.